Today, at 11:43 hours, we responded to a 911 call at this address here, 15310 Peck Avenue. When the members from the department responded here, they were met by a superintendent of the building who alerted him that there were two bodies in the basement of the location. The NYPD Community Affairs Patrol just searching house to house. We're making sure that there's no other victims of any other a similar nature with the surrounding houses, and we'll continue to do outreach, and we'll continue to make ourselves available to the families and help them out and assist them any way we can.
Oh, you're saying it's this high?
Yeah. It went up to here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I was gone. I couldn't even get home.
Oh.
She's asleep. She woke up. She doesn't realize. And then I said, go downstairs. And yeah, and then she's like, oh, this is so flooded. Whenever I was there, because I know I had to park pretty far away on the other side of the soccer field over here. And the entire soccer field was like a lake, and I saw people having to actually swim through the water.
There's a kids and a woman inside. At that time, the door was locked. The water is touched my chairs. I tried to save them. It's the 1 hour. I spent 1 hour over there, and the lady called a friend come here to help me. Almost 1 hour and a half, 1.5 hours. We just broke in and get the people and the kids outside. At the first floor, from the door to the stairs, I just swimming from the, get them to the second floor. And then my car, I just moved it over there. The car was, I can't see the car over here. The car is like floating, you know, it's floating. I can't see anything. It's like a river over here.
The water comes so fast, and then it's up to my neck already. And then I have to put my son in the swimming ring. Thank God we have the safety jacket, and so I put everything on him, and then I just grab a ball. So, and then I try to stand something that I don't know what is that. I even sent message to like everybody. I said, oh, I love everyone. Like I don't know what's gonna happen, so I feel so scared. And then yeah, but finally, and then they open the door.
Inside. Still going on.
Oh god.
As you can see, the water was above my head.
As long as you have no gas.
Don't make a mess. Wow, Joe. Some stuff is dry though. So I was inside and I was having like a breakdown because that's all I got. And then we opened the front door to get out. He got out and I couldn't close the door because I don't want, if I didn't close the door, water would have been all the way up. So I was just,
at that point,
I had an idea. I was like, I closed the door from the inside. He helped me and we just broke off the window.
And did you escape that way?
Yeah, we got out, yeah.
We hopped through the window. We hopped through that window and then we went upstairs. And then from that point, we were like, we have to keep going. It's worse. And after that, when we got out to move the cars and stuff, it was at least up to our shoulders. It just got worse after that. Yeah, we just finished renovating it and moved back in not even a year ago. And everything brand new, it's gone, so. It's terrible. I don't think it got to here yet, but that's when we were like, there's no bars back here. So that's when we just decided, let's just hop out. We hopped out from there and then tried to get through from that point. I think once I couldn't get back, I was talking to them. The water was above the fence.
You might be able to get it back up. I said, you guys might be like, yeah, I hope so. My mom was like, yeah, the Red Cross.